Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another super simple DIY project, which I just finished during the holiday break. If you're interested, please keep watching. For this project, I used an old plaque with a decent size, and I painted it into white color to give it a fresh look. I also used Christmas ornaments with different sizes. They are kind of left over from Christmas decoration. This is the ornament with diameter 4 inches. These are the ornament with diameter 2 inches. Since I'm a little bit short of this size, so I borrowed some pit balls for my 3 years old. These are the ornament with diameter of 1.75 inches. These are the ones with diameter of 1.5 inches. The last size is 1 inches. To prepare those ornaments, you need to cut off the little head. For the largest ornament, the head actually is pretty hard to cut off, so I decided to keep it. Then I spray painted all of them into gold color. The next step is to design how you want to lay out those ornaments onto the plaque. I decided to do the random cluster pattern because I think it is very unique. You guys can also decide a pattern which you like better. Now let's check out the final product. This wall decor turns out very beautiful to me. Those ornaments definitely provide very profound 3D effect which I want. I like it very much. If you are new to my channel and also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. It will help a lot to grow my channel. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.